hello. Right now, I want to work on Bonnie, which is also a waltz, just like in Goodnight Irene. And what we're going to need to do here is take a look at that new strumming pattern that we used there, which was the pluck down, up, down. So it's a waltz, so you use your index finger to pluck the C string, coming up, and then go down, up, down. And the chords we're going to have in this looks like we got a G, got a C, we got an A, we got a D7, we got a D, the whole shebang, the whole gang, the gang's all here. So let's try it from the beginning, and we'll call it the chords as we go. Take it nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, G, C, G, 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 A, D, D7, G, C, G, G, C, D7, G, G. Yeah, and that's that. My 1, 2, 3. Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. So bring back my Bonnie to me. Then it goes to the refrain, right? The refrain isn't too dissimilar. It has a lot of the same chords. It has G for 2 measures, then C for 2 measures, D7 for 2 measures, then G again for 2 measures. So that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. G, G, C, C, D7, D7, G, G. And then it repeats G, G, C, C, D7, D7, G, G. Yeah, so the refrain goes twice. Let's try and put it together then. 1, 2, 3. Bonnie lies over the ocean. On the first line. Bonnie lies over the sea. Leaving the second line now. Bonnie lies over the ocean. Now the last line. Bring back my Bonnie to me. Now we're on the refrain. Bring back C, bring back D7, bring back my Bonnie to G, to G. And then it repeats the refrain. Bring back C, bring back D7, D7, G, G. Nice. Let's try it one more time together. Ready? Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. G, C, G, 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 A, D, D7, G, C, G, G, C, D7 to G. Now we go to refrain. Bring back, now to C, bring C, D7, bring back my Bonnie to G, again. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Nice. Well, I really hope that helped. And I hope you have a really fun rest of your day. Peace out.